Hey everybody, it's summertime on the Eastern Continental Trail. I am at the peak. I just summited Mont Jacques Cartier, and as you can see, it's beautiful 360-degree views up here. But what you can probably hear more than you can see is the wind. It's crazy. That's just through the crack in this door. The wind was not like this at the base of the mountain or anywhere else as I hiked today. And I'm the last one up here. I passed maybe two small groups of people coming down. The main path, not up here on the summit, but on the kind of gravel path down below. And they were saying the wind really picked up. It's like 5 times what it was earlier. You can just see these clouds just rolling. Really beautiful up here though. All rock ground. Little outhouse out there. So this technically is a refuge. You can see the stovepipe. I'm up top, but we'll go downstairs real quick. Not much to this one. I don't even know if it's officially a refuge. It does have the little symbol for refuge outside, but I don't believe this one was in my guide. But anyway, down here it's a little more quiet. It was crazy. My hands, a little windburn. Definitely got windburn on my nose. I've never walked in wind that would literally, I've been on tops of windy mountains and tried to stand there and be blown over. But if I leaned too far into it, I was going to fall forward. This wind, hell no. I mean, I was taking a step and then the wind was pushing me so far away from where I planned to step that, my entire body would turn and I'd step somewhere completely different. I'm going to open this door just so you guys can get an idea. Now, our back, I'm behind the building right now. So the wind must always come from that other direction, but... Oh, wow! Wow! Holy shit! Wow! That is windy as fuck! Oh man, okay. That's about all there is to show you. Just how windy it is. I'll be back later. Bye.